Just give me 1 minute. I am writing because yesterday in the last class I written somewhere. In the last class I written somewhere. Yeah, everything ready? I think we can good to go. Can you say good morning one time? Sorry for delay and sorry for yesterday class not there. Sorry for that. Can we go ahead? Good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Can we go ahead now? Is everything okay? Can we go ahead? Let me know. Can we go ahead? Everything perfect? I feel everything perfect. Audio, video, everything is okay. We can go ahead. This is the problem which I given a homework in the last class. This is a homework in the last class. Can we go ahead? Are you people done or not? I don't know. So let me do once. And Isaac post in the group. Anjali post in the group. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Post in the group. Make it fast. Yeah, so let me give answer. I am giving answer. Everyone listen, I am giving answer. I think space, everything is perfect. I am giving. See everyone, see everyone. That is the reason. That is the reason. Everyone have to be careful with the declaration. Everyone should be careful with the declaration. See what happened. See the A array. So don't see declaration. Don't see declaration. Assignment operator right side. See left only. See left only. See only here. You will get the clarity. If you want to know what exactly the declaration, you want to know what exactly the declaration is there. So declaration assignment operator. See only left side. So what is that one? I think because of 7 people, 7 I am trying to okay. So the meaning of this one is A is one array. Can you see this one? A is one array. A is one array which contains 7 slots. 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 Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and address of this one is 1000. Remember everyone, A is one array which contains 7 slots, where everyone is a pointer to char. Where everyone is a pointer to char. Everyone is a pointer to char. Pointer means 8 bytes. 1008, 1016, 1024, 1032, 1040, 1048. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Right? And one more thing is series one, where everyone you are expecting address of a character. Where everywhere you are expecting address of a character. Try to understand. Everywhere you are expecting address of a character. Address of a character. But when is expecting address of a character, everywhere you are giving string. Remember everyone, giving string is nothing but first character address. Letter in the first character address is 2000. Giving string means first string is nothing but a collection of character, which is nothing but array only. Which is nothing but array only. String is nothing but a collection of character. First place character, second place character, third place character. All these character will be stored inside memory continuously. Right? See, 2000, it is the 3000. It is the 4000. You can keep whatever address you want. It is 5000. It is 6000. It is 7000. It is 8000. It is expecting inside. If you see the A array, it is expecting inside, not string. So it is expecting inside addresses. But address of what? Address of char. Address of char. If you go to that address, you will see a character. See, I think first place they given. I think A is this. A means first person address. This is the A. First person address means 2000. When you say A plus 1, 3000. This area. But remember, it's the array, array indexes, right? Array. Let's see this one. A 1000. A plus 2, 1016. Outside only. You are not coming inside. When you go inside, addresses will come. Right? A is 1000. In the arrays plus 1, skipping one element. A plus 1, 1008. A plus 2, 1016. So, here you return. Right? So, in the B array, let's go to B array. But first I have to finish this one. Let me write. Here 2000. Here 3000. Here 4000. Here 5000. Here 6000. Here 7000. Here 8000. Remember in the A array, everywhere you are expecting address of a character. But they given string. Giving string is nothing but giving first character address. Giving string is nothing but giving first character address. Now, if you observe clearly diagram, what happened is, because of you are given 2000, it will point to 2000. Because of you are given 3000, it will point to 3000. It will point to 4000. It will point to 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, like that. Whatever address you given, they will point there. Whatever address you given, they will point there. Try to understand. I hope everyone is comfortable till now. Now let's go to B array. A array done, you will get the clarity now. Let's go to B array. Anyone is having small doubt also? Please let me know. B array. I'm going to B array. So one, it is also 7 slots, because 7 people maybe you want to keep 7 slots. This is also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Array name is B. I think normal B. B also, right? If you see B, I think it is going to be, let me check here. Their addresses, can't it be double star? B contain addresses. A contains strings. B contain their addresses. Suppose isn't that B contains some address. B contains some address. Let's see this one. B contains some address. If I click on that, it will go to one more address. If I click on that, you will get the character. I think yeah, same story. If any chance, any requirement is there, I will do that. But let me do this first. I think this is 8,000, 9,000. I'm writing 9,000 because of all our addresses. I'm writing 88 bytes. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. This is also okay. Till now, this is also comfortable. Now let's see. A plus 2. A is 1000, A plus 2, 1016. Next one, A plus 3, 1024. Next one, A plus 6, 1000 and everyone is 8, but no 48, 1048. A 1000. A plus 1, 1008. So A plus 4. Totally, I think how many people required? A plus 5 also there. A plus 5 also there. I think after A plus 6, A plus 5. A plus 5, 1040. Next one, A 1000. A plus 1, 1008. A plus 4, 1032. Right now let me check one small line. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. So 1016, they will point to 1016. 1024. 1048. Whatever address you give, it will point there. 1040. 1000 here. 1008 here. 1032. 1032 here. Yeah, this diagram also okay. This is completed. This is completed. Now let's go to third one. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Small doubts may come, but when you are going one by one, whenever in life some problems will come. Don't stuck there only. Don't stuck there only. Please learn, move on. Right? It will resolve. I'm not saying that leave those problems. I'm not saying leave them. Move on. Move on means move to next. Move to next line. Move to next line. You may get clarity. Right now, next one. I think go to the C. C is a normal variable. It's having its own address. Let us assume that address of this one is assume 15,000. You can do any address. Variable name is C. Right? So C is equal to B you given. Array name is base address 9,000. Whatever address you give, you will point there. You give 9,000, you will point to 9,000. So this is the current status. I think some people may be done wrong in the first line. First line you may be done wrong. So you stored the string directly. Remember, storing the string means storing first character address. Simply A is expecting address of a char. A expecting address of a char, but you given string. Giving string means giving first character address. Giving string means first character address. Please try to understand all the people. So in the similar way, B done. In the similar way, C also done. Everything is fine. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Everyone listen. It is a 2000. It is a 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Lastly, ending with null character 2007. So pig 3000, 3001, 3002. By default, there is a null character 3003. Same here. Dog 4001, 4002, 4003. Next one, Papa. So 5000, 5001, 5002, 5003, 5004, 5005. Same thing here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, 1 is the, I think 0 there. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 already there. 2, 3. Sorry, 0 already there. It's a 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. If required, we will use it. I think everything is ready. We can go ahead. Now, my question to everyone, whoever is watching, my question to everyone is my question. My question to everyone, please give answer to me. How many How many variables on the board? My question to every person. How many variables on the board? Yeah, please give answer. How many variables on the board? The people who are watching, please let me know. How many variables on the board? This is a very, very important one. Whatever answer possible you are already given, that's okay. Can you say how many variables on the board? One variable, what is the name? One variable, I am happy, but what is the name? One variable, what is the name? C. Okay. Variable means printing. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. So print C 9000. That is also okay. Print C 9000. That is also okay. Now, if you observe clearly, variable means inside. That is fine. So now one small question. I will ask everyone. Please give answer. Everyone, please give answer. Everyone, please give answer. So if I say print C, see this one. If I say print C, C 9000 will print. I am happy. Now if I say star 9000, the value inside 9000, 1016 will be printed. If I say one more star, the value inside 1016, I think 4000 will be printed. C means 1000 will be printed. Star C means 1016 will be printed. Right? Next one. One more star. Star 1016 means 4000. Now can anyone help you now? As of now you have 4000 or not? Can you see? As of now you have 4000 or not? Two stars are over. Listen everyone now. Two stars are over. You have 4000. Two stars are over, you have 4000. Suppose if I say now, listen, if I say now printf percentage yes, so because I have address, printf percentage yes, so if I give 4000, then what happened is 4000 onwards, whatever string is there, it will be printed. If I say printf yes means what? Oh, string you are printing. If you are printing string, give string. Instead of giving string, give base address. 4000 onwards, whatever string there, it will be printed. I think the dog will be printed. After 2 stars, you got 4000. After 2 stars, you got 4000. 4000 is a address. 4000 is address. So printf percentage yes means printf string from 4000. Printf string from 4000. 4000 onwards, everything will be printed until null character. Then what will happen? Dog will be printed. Dog will be printed. Careful, dog will be printed. Be careful, everyone. Dog will be printed. Fine. So I think if required, we'll proceed further. What I mean to say is, from the C to get the string, 2 stars required. From the C to get the string, 2 stars required. If you want, you can check in your printf. Listen, in your printfs you can check. See, from the C to get the string, 2 stars required. Next one more thing. Some people are asking one more thing. Sir, you have already 4000. If I say one more star 4000, the value inside 4000, it will go to 1 character. The value inside 4000. From 4000 onwards, very big string there. But when I say star 4000, it will go inside 4000, 1 character. At that time, it will print simply D. It will print simply D. 1 character will print. It will print 1 character. Do you want to print a specific character? Go 1 more star. Go 1 more star, specific character will be printed. So from the C to get the character, 3 stars required. 3 stars. If I make 1 star, if I make 2 stars, string will come because you are getting base address. If I do 1 more star, you are going inside that particular address. Then 1 character you will get. So if you want, you can check percentage C. Percentage C means character you are printing. Here 3 stars required. Indirectly, directly 3 stars required. Indirectly, directly 3 stars required. 3 stars there you will get a character. 2 stars there, you will get the string base address. String base address. So string will be printed. And one more thing, if you want, percentages. Here also string means 2 stars enough. Fine. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Can we move further? Can we move further? I think everything ready, almost everything ready. The only thing is we have to print one by one. We have to print one by one. If you want to print a character from C, C is a triple pointer. C is a triple pointer. C is a triple pointer. From the C to get the character. C. From the C to get the character, 3 stars required. 3 stars over, you will get the character. If it had only 2 stars, oh, so I think it's a string base address. Total string will be printed. Here I think it will be printed off. Okay, I think now I will execute. Everything is ready. Now my very good question to all the people. Very good question I am going to ask. Can anyone give the answer? Very good question I am going to ask. Can you give the answer? Very good question. Very good question. I will give the answer. Please, can you check one time? Very good question. I don't know how many people will give. On the board, please help me. On the board, how many arrays? On the board, how many arrays? I'm expecting answer from all of you. No one can give answer. Let me check. On the board, how many arrays? On the board, how many arrays? I'm expecting answer. Very less people can give answer. Very less people can give answer. On the board, how many arrays? Please give answer to me. On the board, how many arrays? Very less people can give answer. Very less people. On the board, how many arrays? Everyone try. Everyone try. Very less people can give answer. On the board, how many arrays? Everyone saying 2. Everyone saying 2. But if you observe clearly, everyone saying 2. But if you observe clearly, A is one array, B is one array. Okay, they are okay. They are okay. A is one array, B is another array. I am very happy. I am very happy. But try to understand. Try to understand one important thing. Try to understand one important thing. A is one array, B is another array, 2 arrays, okay. But remember, this is also array. This is also array, third array, fourth array, fifth array, sixth array. Array means what? Some people are thinking that array means one mice box. No, array means continuous. Array means same size. If you want, you can verify. Array means continuous. Array means same size or same type. So all are character. Array means collection of character. Array means, I'm repeating once again. String means collection of character. Array means collection of elements. Integer array, collection of integers. Char array, collection of char. Right? Next one, float array, collection of floats. String, collection of character. What is the meaning of string? String means collection of character. How can you say this is array? Continuously they store. Everyone is same type. So remember, 5th array, 6th array, 7th array, 8th array, 9th array. I know this very well. Very less people will do. On the board there are 9 arrays. Indirectly, directly 9 arrays. Directly 2 arrays AB. Directly 2 arrays AB. Indirectly 9 arrays. 2 plus 7. Some people are asking, sir, if 9 arrays, what are the names, sir? 2 arrays having name A and B. But remaining arrays don't have name. Remaining arrays don't have name. Sir, if you don't have name, how will you access? I have first character address. Using first character address, I can easily access. So totally 9 arrays, 2 arrays directly, 7 arrays indirectly. So how can you say those 7 people array? First of all, what is the meaning of array? Ask question yourself. What is array? Array means continuous. Array means similar type. I think if you see buffalo, continuously there. See 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Continuously there. All are same type. All are character. Array means not box. Some people are thinking that array means one nice box. Some people thinking array means a nice box. I am requesting everyone, array means not nice box. Nowhere I studied. Array means one rectangle box. Right? Array means one square box. It is not like that. Array means continuously elements should be there. All will be similar type. All will be similar type. I hope everything is perfect. I hope everything will be perfect. So that is done. So this one also, right? I think everyone observed totally 7, totally 9, totally 9 arrays. For your convenience, I given in this from this problem, you can learn this. Only one variable C, only one variable C. Variable means inside, that is 9,000. 2 arrays directly A, B. Array means outside. Array means outside. 1,000, 9,000. So A means 1,000, B means 9,000. Okay. But what about, you are saying 9 arrays. What about remaining arrays names? No name is there. They are indirect arrays. No names. Then how will you access? I have base address. See, I have base address of every indirect array. I have base address of every indirect array. Every indirect array, I have base address. They don't have a name, but they have base address. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I think everything ready. You can go ahead now. Listen everyone. This is completed. This is completed. This is completed. Now I am at now I am giving the number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some numbers. So star C plus plus. Can you see this one? C variable means inside 9,000. Next one, everyone knows star and plus plus. Winner is star and plus plus. Both are same priority. Associated is right to left. 9,000 plus plus. 9,000 only. 9,000 only. After that line, it will increment. We will see now. So afterwards, careful everyone. Star 9,000. Star 9,000. 1,016. Star 1,016. Star 1,016. 4,000. Okay, star 4,000, star 4,000, the value inside 4,000, you are going inside 4,000, only 4,000. If you print, string could have been printed. You are saying one more star, star 4,000, D, but the thing is no one is taking. Good morning, Bharatwaj, right, fine. So I think first statement is over, D came, but no one is printing. D came, no one is printing, it's fine. But one thing, after first line is over, until now nothing happened. Now because of it's a post incrementation, it will increment now. So remember, it will increment, and not only that, it will change also the C++. Some people are thinking that C++ is a language. Sir, I like C language. I like C++ language. They are not doing anything. C++ language, no? C++ is a language. It's not an operator. Some people are thinking C++ is a language. It is one variable name. It is a one variable name. No need to write anything. You like C++. Keep it with you. Don't do those things here. Sir, C++ is one language, right? One name. How can you do operation? Just shut up. Just shut up first. So anyhow, so finally D came, no effect. But remember, after first line is over, because of you done C++, wherever C is fighting, wherever C is pointing, it will point to next. That means, remember, this physical line is for only for your convenience. Remember, whatever address you will keep here, it will point there. I think I kept 9,008. I kept, so it will point to 9,008. Right? Please remember that arrow is only for user convenience. I think let me close the door. Let me close the door. Otherwise, all boards are saying big, kitch like that. All boards are doing like that. So let me close the door. So are you able to hear? Are you able to hear bird sound? Are you able to hear bird sound? Bro, do you want to close it? Do you want to listen? Sir, comparing your voice, na, that bird's voice is better. They are saying kich 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 kich. You are always saying shouting on us. You are always shouting on us. That their voice is better than your voice. Always you are shouting on us. Always you are shouting. Those birds' voice is far better. See, Anjali is saying yes. Anjali is saying yes. Your voice is so irritating, sir. Every time shouting on us. On small kids, you are shouting. Yeah, perfect. Perfect now. Now let's go to the next. Everything is ready. Now let's go there. Everything is ready. Now let's go there. So now if you observe clearly, everything ready. First line is completed. Can you see the printf? Printf is going to be interesting. Can you see this one? Printf. So C is right. C is 9008. C is 9008. Everyone observe. C 9008. Okay. Wherever C pointing. Now C plus 3. From there, everyone in the right in the pointer skipping means that wherever you are pointing from there, skip 3 people. 1, 2, 3. 3 people skip. You will be here. 3 people skip. You will be here. That means 9032. So this became 9032. But remember 9032. Okay. But C will not update. C will not update. So afterwards, some people are asking, sir, why you stopped first of all here? First of all, why you stopped here? What is the reason? By seeing first operand, I stopped. And one more thing is bracket also there. Bracket should be done first. So I done it. So C plus 3 I done 9032. Right now bracket is over. Now what happened is for this 9032 from right hand side plus is saying mine. For this 9032 right is saying star is mine. Left star is saying mine. Right plus is saying mine. Whoever is more strength, that person will take. Star will take. So fighting is there. Whoever having more strength, he will take. Star 9032,000. Again star there. Star and plus. Star is the winner. Star 1000. What is the answer? The value inside 1000. 2000. The value inside 2000. So remember everyone. I am, see this one. I am star 1000. Star 1000 I am at here. Everyone observe. I am at here. I am at here. Star 1000. I am at here. I am at here means I am pointing here. See this. Wherever you are, address there. So you are pointing there. You are pointing. So wherever you are pointing, there you done plus 2. I think my increment, I am at here. My increment is based on where I am pointing. I am pointing here. 2000 means I am pointing. From here, 2 character will skip. Right? I think this area. BU is gone. BU is gone. So it is going to be right 2002. Wherever I am pointing, there characters are there. Every character is 1 byte. Plus 2 means 2 byte will increase. So finally 2002. Remember 2 stars only over. Still you have address. From that address onwards, whatever string is there, it will be printed. I think as someone is mentioned, fellow will be printed. FFALO. First, right? So I think this printf is printing fellow. Many people done fellow. Many people done, right? Answers some people mentioned also. Sir, fellow will be printed. Okay. FFALO, fellow. Follow or fellow, whatever you want, you can call it as. No, sir, I became a farmer, sir. I will pronounce in the farmer style. Follow. Okay, go ahead. Right? Some people say that, sir, I want foreign accent. Right? Go ahead. Follow. Right? Do whatever nonsense way you want. Many ways are there. Foreign accent means many ways. Some people will say far, some people say far. I don't know what they are saying also. When I'm talking with them, how Mr. Fa? Nonsense. Right? Whatever convenient they will do. Right, fine. Anyhow, follow. Perfect. Now come here now. So triple star C plus 2. Triple star C plus 2. Now it's if anyone done any mistake in the second time in this printer, you will be affected here. Triple star C plus 2. So what is the C? And by the way, one more interesting thing is here no pre-incrementation, post-incrementation, no one printing also. You can happily skip it. No one printing also. No, there is no increment also. No one modifying. Plus 2 you are doing, but no one will affect. And no one printing also. I think the third line you can happily leave it. Now come to fourth line. Come to fourth line. C is because of not updated. C as it is 9008 only. Right? So first of all, you have to go to bracket. So I went there. So C is 9008. So left side star, right side plus. You know very well, star is the winner. 9008. 9008 star, 1024. Again star plus star is the winner. Star 1024. Star 1024. So 5000. 5000. Till now everyone is comfortable. Till now everyone is comfortable. I feel so. Now observe here. Now observe here. So right, I think star 1024. I am at here. Remember, not here, not here. I am at here. I am at 5000. I am at 5000. Now what you do is you are at 5000 wherever you are, wherever you are. From there plus 2. So see this one. I think you are pointing at plus 2. So I think 2 people skip. So you will be here. Papa, PA gone, PA gone. Now let's see this one. Anyhow, it will goes to because of character level. Right? What is the answer? 5002. Till now 5002. 2 stars over plus 2. You are pointing to character. You are pointing to character. 2 bytes will increase. Now listen. Now that bracket is completed. From left side star is saying mine. From right side plus is saying mine. Star is the winner. Everyone observe. Star 5002. You are entering inside 5002. It is the 5000, 5001, 5002. I think A. Star 5002. So I think A. This A. Because when you say three stars over, you will get a character. So till now you got character A. Till now you got character A. Remember, I am at character. That character is A. So A ASCII value 97 plus 5. Data is normal. Data is data. For data, if you add plus 5 only, 97 plus 5. What's the answer? 102. 102. But remember, print the not ASCII value 102. But print the character. So what's the answer? Character, if you observe, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's a 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 102. I think F. So this will print F. Right? For the A, you added plus 5. A is a data. For the data, you added plus 5. So which will goes to, right? I think after A, fifth person. After A, after A, fifth person, which is going to be F. Right? Fine. Check if anyone having small doubt. 97 plus 5. 97 plus 5, which is going to be 102. So answer is F will be printed. This also completed. Right? But interesting thing, in the fourth line, if you observe, whatever you want, you would have nowhere incrementations are pending. Nowhere incrementation done also. Nowhere incrementation done also. Nothing is pending. F will be printed because triple star completed. Triple star is completed. So one character is A. Nowhere updation also done because nowhere you written the C++. That is the reason. And one more, if you observe fifth line, there is no printf. I want to skip, but there is a plus. So I have to do. It is the 9008, okay? Plus 9008. Right? So wherever you are pointing plus, you will go next. But remember, it will update also. And one more, it is not a post incrementation, it is the pre-incrementation. It will increment immediately. 9060. Afterwards not required because anyhow no one is printing. It became 9016. Afterwards, star, star, star. But anyhow, no use. Leave it. Now come to the last statement. So C became 9016 as usual. Okay. Star and plus fighting. This is the most probable fighting most of the time. 9016 inside 1048. Again, star and plus will fight. So 1048 inside, 1048 inside, 1048 inside, 1032. Sorry. Okay. Sorry for this. Let's see. C is 9016. Star 9016 is 1048. Go to 1048. Go to 1040. Star 1048. I think it is 8000. After two stars over, I am at here. After two stars over, I am at here. Be careful. So means I am pointing here. I am pointing here. Okay, until now everything is fine. Bracket also over. Now I am at a particular character. Be careful. So from there you done the plus 2. So I think it is 8002 because your character level 8002. And interesting thing is afterwards no star also. Again plus 2. Afterwards no star. Again plus 2. Adding one more plus 2. Skipping two more character. 8004. 8004 because of plus 2 8002 because of one more plus 2 because afterwards no star happened, so 8004 4 people skipping, so 8004 onwards whatever there please print 8000. It's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4. 8004 onwards whatever is there G. So last printf is G. Last printf is G. Please check. I think the 4 people skip na, the skip, so G will be printed. So because of this printf, F will be there. I think we have only 3 printfs. We have only 3 printf. I given enough time to you. I given enough time to try. I given enough time to try. This problem you can handle means you can handle anything. This problem you can handle means you can handle anything. Please let me know. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. This problem you can handle means you can handle anything. Please let me know if you have doubt. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. I am here to help you. I am here to help you. Let me know, sir, I have this doubt. Everyone. Make it fast. If no doubt, we can move to the next problem. Hello? Someone is saying, I'm not getting second printf. Can you see the second printf? Everyone sees second printf? What you are not getting, let me know. Second printf, what you are not getting? So, C is initially 9008. Assume C is initially 9008. Star you done. Right? Fighting is a plus and star as usual. Inside 9008, if you go 1024. One more star you done. Inside 1024, if you go 5000. So finally, after 2 stars are over, you got 5000. You got 5000. And one more important thing you remember. Right? So remember this. One more important thing you remember. What happened is 2 stars over, you got 5000. See this. 2 stars over, you got 5000. This is the case. 2 stars over, you got 5000 here. Here you are means you are pointing here. You have address star to 1024. Star 1024, 5000. So you are at here. So you are pointing here. Okay, fine. Wherever you are pointing, I think if you observe clearly, this bracket also completed. sorry, bracket not over still, plus 2, plus 2, right, plus 2. So wherever you are pointing from there, 2 characters skip. So you will be here. But remember, anyhow, E is not updating. E is not updating. So it became now 5002. Right? After completion of this one, this bracket is over. See, this bracket over. This bracket over. Now bracket is over. Left side star fighting, right side plus fighting. So star highest priority. So star 5002. The value inside 5002. When you say 3 stars over, you will get character. Star, right? Star 5002. I think 5000, 5001, 5002 is A. So where, right? You are in a string. String means you are in outside. When you say star, you will go inside. Inside you will go where whatever address you have, right? You will go inside. There is a character A. So remember, triple star over means character K. So now you got character 97. A means 97. Afterwards, you have plus 5. For data, adding plus 5 is plus 5 only. 97 plus 5, 102. 102 ASCII character is F. F will be printed. F will be printed. So let me know. Hello. Check one time. Check one time, everyone. Check one time, everyone. Can we move next? Can we move next? Everyone. Can we move next? Can I go to next? I skipped 2 arrays. No, right? No, wherever you are pointing, see, remember carefully. Wherever you are pointing, see this, you are pointing here. 5000, na? You are pointing to this character, see, 5000. 5000 is, you have 5000, you are pointing to 5000. Inside 5000, there is a one character. My increment is based on where I am pointing. I am pointing to one character. One character. So if I say plus 2, 2 character will skip. Where you are pointing here. How can you skip to next? Wherever you are pointing, in that you can skip. Right? It will happen. Right? Sometimes it will happen. I also used to do, you also. Everyone have to come across. More practice you do, more clarity you will get. More practice you do, more clarity you will get. Let's move to next problem. I feel everyone is comfortable. Let's move to next story. Let's move to next story. Right? Next problem. Let me go. I will write. Next problem is a little tricky. I will write. Let me write now. First, give me a few minutes. I have to arrange this problem. Main. I'm trying some small thing here. Main. Char star A is equal to go to hell. Char star A is equal to go to hell. Let us assume that. Assume just some funny way I written some string. Don't worry. Right, next one. Char star A is equal to this one. Can you guess how much space will be allocated? Go to hell. So it is also one string. Somewhere it will store. Go to hell. How many characters? GOTO 4. And one more thing is gap, also one character. Right? Blank space, one character. HELL, one more, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. One more, because of it is a string, one null character also there. I think 10, totally 10 size. 10 size array will be created. Somewhere it will be created. Somewhere it will be created. Be careful. Next one. Char b is equal to it's a array, right? It's a array. So remember everyone. So whatever go for A, see this one. Go to hell will store inside memory by default non-character. But when you are storing yourself inside array, character by character, when you are storing by yourself, so you can write yourself non-character. If you don't want this much burden, simply keep inside double quotes. Automatically it will store ending with non-character. No, sir, I will take myself. Then you can store character by character. So remember, whatever go to hell is storing inside memory. Same thing you are storing in the B array. Same thing you are storing in the B array. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Now you will see some small differences. Char C. I think I am writing here. I am writing here 10. 10 bytes of memory allocated. 10 bytes of memory allocated. So what I will do is everyone observe. What I will do is everyone observe. One interesting story I will say. Afterwards, we will go to the printf statements one by one. It's a very interesting one. It's a very interesting one. Let me see once. How this will store inside memory. Remember, declaration means creating memory. Declaration means creating memory. When you say declaration, creating memory. Right? So declaration don't see right side. See only assignment operator left side. What is that one? Char star e. A is a pointer variable. Address of A is 1000. A is a pointer variable. Remember, inside A you are expecting address of a char. Inside A is a pointer variable. Okay. Inside A you are expecting address of a char. Address of a char you are expecting. But what they given? They given string. Right? He is expecting address of a char, but he is given string. So what is the meaning? String will store somewhere in the memory. Let me write now. GOTOHELL ending with null character. Let us assume it is 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Totally this is. Now listen. So A expecting address of a char. If you observe clearly, 2000 is address of a char, because if I go inside 2000 there is a char. So is expecting address of a char, but you given string. Giving string means giving first character address 2000. So whatever address you give, you will point there. So because of first declaration, this is the diagram which you got. Because of first declaration, this is the diagram what you got. Every declaration will give some diagram. So because of first declaration, this is the diagram what you got. Second one, normal array, nothing special. Second one, third one, normal array. Just I want to show. Second one like this. B array. So totally 10 slots, I think. 10. 5, 5, let me write 5, 5. B, which is going to be, I think, let me give some address, some other address. 3000 I am giving. Because of everyone is a character, 1 byte. So if you observe clearly, so all the character. Some blank space. non-character, same. So for the second one, this is the diagram. For the second one, this is the diagram. See the third one also, only for namesake third one. So let's see third one also. Name is C, which contain 10 slots. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going to be, I think I'm writing 4,000, some address. All are characters, one byte. Right, this also fine, and because of you didn't kept anything, by default garbage. All garbages are available because you didn't kept anything. But if you observe clearly, what is size of C? If you observe clearly, size of C, size, if you observe here 10 bytes. Here also, if you observe size, 10 bytes, that's okay. 10 bytes. But if you see the first diagram also looking similar but different way. There also one array is there, go to hell. In the second line also there is one array, go to hell. Both are go to hell only. But if you see the size here 10 bytes. This is 10 bytes, okay. This is 10 bytes, okay. But one more pointer also. Totally 10 plus 8. 18 bytes of memory. Size of this entire diagram. If you observe, I think 10 plus 8, 18 bytes. But here only 10 bytes. So first diagram, second diagram, both are doing same meaning they are doing. The only difference is, I think in the first diagram, a name and that string, just connection is there. They are not permanently connected. See, inside A you kept 2000, it is pointing to 2000. Inside A, if you keep 3000, it will point to 3000. There is no permanent connection between them. It is something like you are doing job somewhere. You are doing job somewhere. Something like that. Whatever address you give, you will point there. In the first diagram, whatever address you keep inside A, you will point there. There is no permanent connection between them. It can break at any time. But if you see the second diagram, see, B connected forever. B is not separate. It is connected forever. That is the reason in the array base address you cannot change. Because B is always 2000. You cannot do B plus plus. You cannot do B is equal to B plus 5. You cannot do that. In the arrays, base address fixed. But in the first model, inside A 2000. If you want, you can keep 3000. If you want, you can keep 10,000. Whatever you want, you can keep. Same, whatever first one is doing, second one also doing same, but different way. Here I am fixing. B I am fixing. But in the case of first case, I am not able to fix A. There is a difference between both of them. Freedom you given. In the first diagram, there is a freedom. A simply saying that I am a pointer. A simply saying I am a pointer. Just I am a pointer. Whatever address you give, I will point. But the only thing is, whatever address you give, inside that address, there should be a character. Because I am a character pointer. He is saying I am a character pointer. Whatever address you give, I will point there. You give 2000, but if I go to 2000, there should be a character. This is only my criteria. Right? Be careful. So B is a normal array. Remember, in the case of first diagram, this is not fixed. But in the case of second diagram, this is fixed. B is 2000 only. So C I taken for some other purpose. Right? We may use it. So see the difference. In the first diagram, flexibility there, that there is a little space extra. Flexibility there, so little space extra. In the second diagram, flexibility not there, space less, only 10 bytes. 10 people, 10 bytes. But in the case of first case, 10 people but 18 bytes. Why? There is no permanent connection. So separation done. A also you have to store separately. So that is the reason. right? So first one, second one, both are doing almost same purpose. Second one is array, base address fixed, but in the case of first one, it is not fixed. Whatever address you give, you will point there. Okay, I think those are okay. Now I will ask a few questions one by one. One by one, see. Everyone observe. If I say now, printf percentage yes, a. If I say printf percentage yes, a, what is the answer? A means variable, na? A is a variable. So A is 2000. So 2000 onwards, whatever there, it will print. So go to here, will be printed. Next one, if I say printf percentage yes, remember your printing string means you have to give string directly or at least base address. So I am saying B now. So if you observe clearly, B, array name means base address 2000. 2000 onwards, everything will print until null character. What is the answer? Go to here. So until now, fine. See, to do the same thing, two different approaches I followed. To do the same thing, two different approaches I followed, but in the first approach, flexibility there, 18 bytes memory. In the second one, flexibility not there. So some less space, but everyone having its own pros and cons. In the first one, flexibility there, more space. Second one, flexibility not there, less space. But see the one more difference. Can you see the one more difference? Everyone observe. Can you see one more difference? Everyone observe. See this. A is equal to, careful, A is equal to A plus 2. A is equal to A plus 2. Assume A is equal to A plus 2. I done. B is equal to B plus 2. So A is equal to A plus 2. A already 2000. So means A already pointing to 2000. But where, if I go inside 2000, there is a character. But when I say plus 2, two people will skip. Right? I think it is going to be 2002. Then A will become 2002. It is not 2000, it became 2002. So because of your flexibility there, you can change it. But here B is equal to B plus 2. You are trying to change base address of the array. It will give, right? L value cannot be changed. Means base address cannot. What mean? L means what? Left side and right side. Assignment operator left side, right side. Left side means this B. Base address cannot change. L value cannot be changed. Be careful. So here you will get the error message. Right? Different people, different purpose. So I done this problem. See, I done first declaration for flexibility. Second declaration, no flexibility. So this is all right. This is not. It will give error. Be careful. Next, one more thing I want to say to you. Can you listen? Can you listen this also? Can you listen this also? Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Let us assume now A is A plus 2. Now A became 2002. A became 2002. Please listen. Please listen now. If I say now printf percentage yes, A, 2002 onwards it will be printed. 2002 onwards printed. Can you check what is the 2002? 2002 onwards printed. I think TOL, 2L. 2002 onwards printed. 2L will be printed. Now listen what happened. 2L will be printed. I am happy. See the interesting story. Star A is equal to, I think if you see, A is 2002, star 2002, there I think 2 there, T there, T. Star A contain, because inside 2002 you are going, one character you will get. T there, if you want you can check. 2002 inside if you observe, there is a T. So now you went inside, right, inside T, you replace a T by E. It is a character, no? You replaced. Now afterwards you done the printf. Percentage yes. A. So after changing, so what you done is you went inside. So you have 2002 star 2002. You went inside this T you replaced by E. You done this. Now you are printing. Now you are printing again. Then when you print again, right? Actually you are expected EOHELL because you changed the T to E. You are expecting this one, but most probably what it will print is TOL only it will print. It will print this only. Mostly it will print this only. 99% it will print this only. Means what I mean to say is, to do the same task, two ways are there. First way, second way. I want to store, listen, I want to store some string. I want to store some string. You can store this model or you can store this model. Any model you can approach. Any model you can approach. But in the first model, this one you can update. But this one you cannot update. Inside string content you cannot change. In the first model. In the second model, if you observe, this one you cannot change. Base address you cannot change, but inside content you can change. I will do that also. Can you see here? Can you see here? So everyone listen. So B is going to be 2000. Careful. B plus 2, because of this array, character array, it is a 2002. 2000 or 3000? Maybe, I don't know. Let me check here. Yeah, isn't 3000? It is 4000, 3000. Right? I think that B array is 3000. So let me check it. It is a 3000 plus 2 because of it is a character array 3002. That is okay, no problem. Star. Remember B I am not updating. Star 3002. The value inside 3002. If you see the value inside 3002, this one T is replaced by assume E. Assume. I replaced. Is equal to I done E. Remember everyone. I replaced it. Now I am saying printf. Percentage yes. B. If I print now, because of you already changed it, because of you are already modified, then what happened is it will print go to na EO HELL. It will print. So what I mean to say is, in the first model, content you cannot change. In the second model, content you can change. Content can change. Content can be changed. If you want, you can change. Your content cannot change. It's a nice model. Some people are asking, sir, can you say the names? Some names also they kept. Names also they kept. So I will write the names. Here, first model is called a string constant. You are storing string in the constant format. String constant. If you store the string in this fashion, like first one, string constant means this is constant. You cannot modify the content. This is not constant. You can modify. Here flexibility is you can modify. Here this one you can modify, but the content you cannot. String constant. See the name. String constant. Right. Second one, if you observe, this is constant. This 3000 is constant. You cannot change, but this one you can change. This I change it to E. You can change. In the array, content can be changed. Base address cannot. In the string constant, base address can be changed. Means this can be changed. Base address can be changed. This can be changed, but string content cannot be changed. If you change, no error, but most probably you don't see any updation. So I will write here. Say this. I will write here. Say. So star E is equal to A idle. Printf percentage yes A. So when you print, because of you change, you are expecting this, but it don't work. It will work. So what is meaning? Content cannot be changed. If you change, no error, but it will not change. But no error. If you try, no error. If you try to do this, no error you will get, but no error. If you try. Content cannot be changed. Content cannot be changed. If you try to change, but no error, but no effect. I tried also. No error will be there, but content is not updating. But in the case of array, content can be changed. Content can be changed. This is the array store. From this problem, I want to say this to you. Other than this, nothing. String constant. String content is constant. Array content is not constant. Array base address is constant. So let me see here. These are the main points. Here base address can be changed. Here base address no. Right here content. Here content cannot be changed. But here content can be changed. These are the points. So one of the nice problem, please be careful. It's one of the nice problem, please be careful. Right now let me write. Let me just, I want to say one small thing. Please listen this also. Please listen this also. Complete this also. This is the end of the problem. This is the end of the problem. Main points, whatever I want, I said, but my goal is this. This is the final one. Can you do this also? Major lines, if you want, I will give numbers also. Major line, I will give number. It may be 3. I hope all are correct only. It is a 4. It is a 5. Assume. It is a 6. It is also part of the program. Assume. So 7th one, because of it will give error. It is not part of our program. Otherwise, program become error. It is not part of the program. Please remember. It is a 7. It is a 8. Because of no error, I am giving number for this also. It is also part of the program. No error, but it don't update. Those people who are having small doubt also, after today's class over, you can check. It is a 10. It is a 11. It is a 12. Yeah, can you complete this also? Can you end up the program? It's a nice problem. Please go ahead. I will give conclusion also. I will give conclusion also, ending. Whatever I thought, whatever I want to say, I will say. This is the problem which contain 12 major points. 12 major points. 12 major points. In this problem, you can learn 2 things. Array can be stored in 2 ways. First model, string constant model. Second one is normal array model. You can store 2 ways. But here more space, here less space. Here base address you can change, flexibility there. But the content cannot be changed. If you change, it don't update, but it don't give error. Second one, string constant, string contents you can change. But base address you cannot change. So I given some examples also. Now can you go to the 12th statement properly? Can you go ahead? Go ahead. So C array, I think is modifying. Lastly is printing, okay. is trying to modify C array. In this particular loop is trying to modify C array. As of now, C array contain. As of now, C array contain. As of now, C array contain all garbage. If you want, you can go back and you can see. C array contain as of now garbage. See, that is the C array. C array as of now contain garbage. So one loop is going on, I value 0, I value 1, I value 2 and so on. Loop is until 0 to 9. Loop is going on 0 to 9. 10 times loop is repeating. Initial I value is 0. So C is updating. C is updating, right? But using A. Using A. If you observe in that loop, C there, A there. C there, A there. Now let's see the first one. I value 0. Remember, C is array na base address 4000. A means let us assume that it is 2002 only. Let us assume that it is 2002 only. Let us assume it is 2002 only. Right? There is no objection 2002 because you changed already some values. Assume it is 2002 only as of now. So I am starting. Everything ready. Everything ready. Now see this. What will happen? We'll check. What will happen? We'll check. If any modification is there, I will do. So see the first one. I value 0 na. See this one. C of 0. I value 0 na. C of 0 is equal to A of 9 minus I value 0, which will goes to A of 9. But you know very well, A of 9 is a shortcut, but actually is star A plus 9. Actually star A plus 9. Am I right? A is, right? Whatever A is there. So what is the meaning of A of 9? Star A plus 9. Right? Now listen. Star A means I think now 2002 plus 9. Because of it is a 2002, it is a character pointer. Plus 9 means 9 bytes will increase. The star 2011. Right? Star 2011. Can you help me in the memory if you observe clearly? Do we have any 2011? See, until 2009 only we have. 2011 not there. The reason why 2 incremented is, I think we started here 2002 onwards. 2002 because actually it is 2000. Because of you done somewhere plus 2, it became 2002. It became 2002. To make it normal. Otherwise, you may see some abnormal output. To make it this one, somewhere I will do one small change. Somewhere because I can change. I am writing here. Here I am doing A is equal to A minus 2. It became now normal. A became now 2000. Now it will become normal story. So let's make it is normal 2000. It is 2000. It is 2000. Right now, everything ready, please see one time. Otherwise, you will see some abnormal output. So I am starting now. Until now, everything perfect. Now, please give answer to me one by one. Star A is 2000 plus 9, 2009. Star 2009. The value inside 2009, if you observe, there is a null character. That null character you are storing inside C of 0. So C of 0, the first place, garbage there, you are storing null character. Right? Now let's come to next one. I value 0 is over. Let's see I value 1. When the I value 1, it became C of 1 is equal to A of 9 minus 1. I na 9 minus 1. It became A of 8. It became star A plus 8, which will become star 2008. Previously 2009, now star 2008. The value inside 2008, if you observe clearly, I think previously 2009 null character, now L is there. So L will store. So inside this L will store. I think if you observe basically, whatever string is there, over, same thing you are printing in the reverse order. Next time what happened? Star 2007, one more L will store here. Next one, what will happen? Star 2006, E will be there. Next one, star 2005, H will be there. Same string you are printing in the reverse order. Next one, afterwards gap is there. Afterwards GO to go to na, so I think here O will be there. T will be there. Next O will be there. Next G will be there. So lastly, if you observe, what is the last I value? Last I value, if you observe, 9 will come. So A of 9 minus 9 means A of 0 means, right? Star A plus 0 means star 2000 means, so G. So G will store in the last place. Everything perfect. G will store in the last place, everything. Now listen, C modified also. This is the C modified. Total string you stored in the C in the reverse order. In the reverse order you stored, right? So finally, null character to G you stored, right? I think everything fine. Everything fine. When you are printing, print string from the C. C is 4000. 4000 onwards print everything until null character, starting itself a null character. Here nothing will be printed. Nothing will be printed. Because starting itself there is a null character. So remember, it is 11. It is also part of the program. It is a 12 is you. It is a 13. If you want, you can write 14. These are the lines. End of the program. So here no error also, no output also. No output here. No, nothing will print or no output. Reason is, starting itself there is a null character. Starting itself there is a null character. Yeah, now some people are asking, ready sir, from this what is the conclusion? Nothing. No need to think much. I want to say few points. Note. 1. Array base address cannot be changed. If you do so, we will get error. L value cannot be changed. 2. Array base address cannot be changed. If you do so, we will get error. L value cannot be changed. That is the first point. But second point is, array content can be changed. Array content can be changed. If you want, you can change content. Of course, array means collection of data. If you cannot change data, there is no meaning. Array content can be changed. Okay, that is the second point. Third point. String constant. Name itself saying string is constant. String constant content. String constant content cannot be changed. If you try, we don't get error. But answer is undefined. What is the meaning? Let's see this. What is the meaning? Listen everyone. What is the meaning? If you try to change these people, this is called string constant. If you try to change these people, right? Actually, you cannot change. If you try to do, error will not come, but result is undefined. What is the meaning? That is the reason I written also one nice line. What is that one? Can you see this? Can you see this one? Somewhere I written here. See, 99% result will not change. Previously, TOL is there. After replacing by this, it will not be done. As it is will be there. 99% answer will not be changed. You may say, why? What is the reason? Right? The reason is when you declare string constant, that string will store in the ROM area, read-only memory. That string will store in the ROM area, read-only memory. When you try to change something which is there in the ROM area, only read-only memory. So it don't give error here, no problem, but the result will not update. But sometimes what happened is ROM area memory full, ROM area no space is there. Then it will store in the RAM area. Maybe there may be a chance that 1% it will change also. I seen that incident also. Sometimes it is changing. 1% may change. Mostly it don't change. 99% may, right? It will not change. Right? But 1% may change because space is not there. That is the reason. So can you see the beautiful line? Can you see the third line? String constant content cannot be changed. If you try, we don't get error, but answer is undefined. Means may change, may not change. 1% may change, 99% will not change. These points are more than enough. String constant base address can change. What do you mean? Because it is anyhow pointer, you can change whatever way you want. But these points are more than enough. Some people are asking why it is not printing, sir. Reddy sir, why it is not printing? Starting place itself, there is a null character. Don't print. So in one of the examination, 13th point, 14th point given. First few points are given 1, 2, 3. Declaration is given followed by 13, 14. That is a one problem. But for your convenience, I given some explanations also. Right? So 1, 2, 3 in one of the examination, this is the problem. In one of the examination, these are, I think I will select some other color, I will write. Some other color, let me give white color. I'm selecting white color. It's a number 1. It's a number 2. In one of the weight problem, this is given. It's a number 3 until here 5. Right? Forget about all these things. Lastly, this is. It's a number 4 maybe. It is a number 5. But same thing I give white color. This is only problem which is given in the previous paper. Answer is no output. No error also. The only thing is you are printing from starting character, which is the null character. By seeing null, it will stop. By seeing null, it will stop. But remember the points which I written, 4th onwards, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. I want to convey these points. Note. Array base address cannot be changed, but content can be changed. If you try to change base address, you will get error message. Next, string constant content cannot be changed. If you try, we don't get error, but answer is undefined. Answer unchanged, no. Answer undefined. It may change, may not change. It may change or may not change. Anything can happen. 99% don't change. 1% change. Why? Reason why? Because it is stored in the ROM area, read-only memory. Sometimes lack of space, it may store in the RAM area, random access memory, where writing also possible. I think it is one of the beautiful concept. One concept with the help of one problem I try to explain. But when you are trying, so many problems you will find out, right? So definitely you will get the more clarity. Let me know anyone having doubts. Sorry, sir, I have this doubt, that doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Fine. First address of string character is G. So after reversing, what will store in the C? If you want, you can go and check. After reversing in the C, what will be stored? Null character. It's almost like reverse of the string. But when you are printing string after everything is over, in the C first place there is a null character. See there. In the C first place there is a null character. Bharadwaj, are you getting? Bharadwaj, are you getting? If anyone not getting, let me know. Anyone is not getting, let me know. Any doubt there, let me know. Soham, do you have any doubt? Soham, do you have any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Make it fast. Bro, hello? A small doubt also. Are Ankit, where are you? Soham, where are you? Any doubt? Let me know little doubt also. Little, definitely you may get doubt. See, it's my experience of 18 years. 18 years experience, I kept in one problem. To me, everything looked like so easy. To me, everything looked like so easy. Because if you are listening first time, it may be killing you. Which is killing, let me know. You no need to hesitate. Then what is the point of attending live class? Why are you attending live class if you are shy of asking doubts? If you have doubt, if you are shy of asking doubt, why are you attending live class? For what purpose you should have shy? To do bad things, you should have shy. To do bad thing, you should have shy. Can I slap you? You want to ask someone, can I slap you? It is a bad thing. To that you should show shy. You are getting doubt, you can ask. You are going on the road, you stop with someone. Okay. Hello, can you stop? I love you. To say this, you should have shy. For unknown person, you are saying love you. There you should have shy. Isa, are you getting? For unknown person, you are proposing. There you should have shy. For asking doubt, why you have shy? You have doubt, ask. Bharatwaj, you want to propose to unknown person. Then you have shy. Are your nice thing is going on? Some doubt is there, you can ask. Live class purpose is that only. Doubt is there. On the spot you can ask. Doubt there, on the spot you can ask. Doubt is there on the spot. On the spot you are asking. To do bad things, you should have shy. Everyone, please let me know. Please let me know, everyone. Make it fast. Hello? At the end of this problem, these are the conclusions. The things which are visible on the screen, these are the conclusions. So that's true. See, it is my 18 years experience. To me, everything looks nothing. I used to feel in my brain saying, "Arey man, grow up, man." My brain is saying, "Arey Mr. Reddy, grow up, man." Same, but to you not same. In your brain, my brain, whatever is there, not matching because you are seeing first time. You are seeing first time, guarantee confusion. But however, confusion there or not, it doesn't matter. You have confusion, ask. You have confusion, ask. Sir, if I ask you, you will cut my internal marks. What marks I have? Government not given. Maybe I hope someday will come. Government will give some internal marks to me. If you don't listen Reddy's are votes, we will cut internal marks. Someday maybe it will come. I hope so. As of now, no internal marks. Ask. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right? All the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you. Right on. Main int a. It's a one more beautiful problem. It's a one more beautiful problem. Addresses you are printing maybe. I think 3% use, 1% D. Yeah. This is the next problem. It's a very good problem. So you try in the next class we'll discuss, because it will go, in my opinion, it will go almost half an hour. In my opinion, it will go almost half an hour. In the next class, we'll see this. It's a very interesting problem. It will solve, I think, in my opinion, it will solve approximately 10 more problems in the previous papers. In the previous papers, 10 more problems it will solve. Fine. Oh, can we disperse? Come 6 o'clock, yeah. Come 6 o'clock. First half an hour we are wasting every day. Come 6 o'clock, yeah. Arey Bharadwaj, come 6 o'clock, man. Come 6 o'clock, yeah. First half an hour we are wasting. We are wasting first half an hour, yeah, every day. Every day, first half an hour we are wasting. So, come first half an hour, yeah. Where is this Ankit fellow? Where is this Ankit fellow? He is roaming somewhere. Right, around 6:30 I seen. He is roaming somewhere. I kept a CC camera also in front of my house. Where is the Ankit? He is roaming somewhere. I seen him at 6:30 surrounding, roaming here and there. That idiot, that Ankit idiot, he is not came. Come everyone 6 o'clock. If you come at 6 o'clock, around 6:05, 6:10, we can start. Right? Fine. Thanks. Thanks everyone and bye. Bye. You are also late today. No, I started the class, right? I started the class, but no one is there. What can I do? No one is there. What can I do? Okay, let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow everyone come at 6 o'clock, around 6:05 like that we can start. I came. 6 o'clock I came, I opened the class and I just went. No one is there. Chalo then. See you tomorrow. People always ready to blame me. You are also late. People always, the problem with my students is they are always ready to blame me. My students are always ready to blame me. I don't know what wrong I done. I have to ask the God. God, what mistake I done? Why my students are blaming me? I have to ask the gods. There is a serious discussion should be there with God. Okay, bye.